Hold on, pause real quick. Lenny just commented saying something that let people be aware merchants have the ability to keep part of the tip amounts in their system. So is that, have either of you heard that? Because I haven't.
Yeah, so I can kind of talk to that real quick. So
Yeah.
I've talked to merchants about this. So what happens is, and DoorDash has even actually sent out, like responded to this like publicly. So with either DoorDash or Uber, if Chris goes right now to a local pizza joint, goes to their website and orders 5 pizzas and tips $50, let's just say, right? He leaves a nice tip. It's $200 worth of pies. He's happy, right? Nice tip. That restaurant then can use the third-party app, whether Uber, Grubhub, DoorDash, to facilitate that delivery, and they can take that $50 tip and disperse it how they want to with their staff or the driver. They can manipulate that. Now, if the order is placed on Uber's website or DoorDash's website, the merchant can't do it at that point. But if it's placed on the merchant's website, they can look at that and finagle that money. I've seen it before.
Oh, so if I order pizza on, let's say, Pizza Hut's website, and I order 10 pizzas, right?
Yeah, yes.
And then they aggregate that order through Uber Eats for delivery.
Yes.
And if I tip generously on their website, they can keep the tip and not.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
That's not
so
good.
You guys have we have a company called Panera or Breadco. I don't know what you guys call it. Panera probably.
Yeah.
We call it Breadco because it started in St. Louis, so we call it St. Louis Bread Company. They're the number one offender of this or whatever, because they'll get big catering orders on their website, or people will call them in or whatever, big corporations, right? Like $400 or $500 orders, and it'll be like $100 tip, and they can actually decipher that tip. It says it on the receipt. So if you're a driver and you pick it up, it actually says it on the receipt. The tip can be given to anybody in. They could do what they want with the tip, and they might give the driver $50, which is great. I'll take the $50 to go a few miles. I don't care. But the other 50 might be going to the wait staff at the Panera. So, yeah.
Okay. So Pedro, what is your opinion? What is your opinion of clowns, Pedro?
What are we changing subjects already? What are you talking about?
I don't know, man. No, because I didn't know. See, I didn't know about. I learned something now. I didn't know about this tip thing. And then and so what happens to that food? But I mean, I'm really curious. When I've been doing this delivery thing for 2 weeks, I turned down all these orders, right? Well, somebody's doing these orders. Somebody is doing it. I mean, they're not going like sitting there. You know what I mean? Somebody's taking these $2-3 orders.
Yeah,
who's doing it?
I think this is who's doing it, right? It's new people, right? Because they don't know. They're uninformed yet. They don't understand. They're excited because I got a ping on my phone. I remember when I first started with like Postmates specifically, or even with Uber, I was just kind of taking everything because I was like, all right, okay, it's $3. Okay, it's going a mile. I guess I'll take it. That's the best. Can they tip after? Can they not? So I think it's new, uninformed people, and it's also some people that are just doing it for pocket change. They're doing it just to have fun. A lot of people dash or do Uber Eats, and they do it with their husband or wife on a date night. They're just spending a couple hours together. The kids are at a movie, and they're just taking stuff and the money's not a big thing. There's some people that do it like that. I was sent an article today. I did a video that'll come out tonight. A guy he made $30 and he put $30 in his gas can. He didn't make any money. He made like 36 cents in profit. And he said he did 8 deliveries and in 4 hours. So he's doing 2 deliveries an hour and made $30. Like, he's an uninformed driver. He doesn't know. He just doesn't know any better yet. And I think there's a lot. I think in my opinion, the YouTube community and the people in Reddit and Facebook, I think we're the minority. I think most drivers take a majority of the things that hit their phone. So that's who's delivering the bad orders, in my opinion. So.
Okay. Well, I will always be a cherry picker, so that's it.
Sergio, you got to remember there's a lot of people who are ants on RideShare, and they'll take everything that's given. It's the same thing on food delivery or these last mile deliveries. So it definitely happens. It's there's probably very few people comparatively that do cherry pick, and the 3 of us definitely are versus probably the mass. So. And I'm sure people watching, picking up details and stuff like that definitely help.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.